Not sure how to use your Daikin AC remote? Model number ARC470A25. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Daikin AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Power Chill is a rapid cooling mode that operates the AC at maximum fan speed and compressor power. It cools the room quickly and is perfect for hot days when you need instant relief. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Econo Cool is an energy-saving mode that adjusts the airflow direction and temperature automatically to maintain comfort with minimal power consumption. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Fan speed lets you control how strong the air blows. Press it to cycle through low, medium, high, or auto fan levels. Whether you want a soft breeze or powerful cooling, it's just one click away. Want cool air in every corner? Hit the swing button. It moves the air vents up and down, spreading airflow evenly across the room for all-around comfort. Press the Coanda button to activate gentle upward airflow that spreads cool air evenly across the room without direct drafts. Use the on timer to set a specific time for your AC to automatically turn on. Great for scheduling the AC to start before you wake up or return home. Use the off timer to set a time for your AC to automatically turn off. Perfect for saving energy while you sleep or when you leave the room. Press the cancel button to deactivate any previously set timer or scheduled function. It stops the programmed operation and returns the AC to normal manual control. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Daikin AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.